Imagine waking up on your 50th birthday with a sinking feeling in your chest. Not because of age itself, but because you realize you have absolutely nothing set aside for retirement. No nest egg, no cushion, no safety net. For decades, life has been a whirlwind of bills, family responsibilities, debt payments, unexpected emergencies, and maybe even a few financial mistakes along the way. Retirement always seemed like something far off in the distance, a future you problem that could wait. But now the future has arrived, and it feels like the clock is ticking louder than ever. You start asking yourself hard questions. Will I ever be able to retire? Am I doomed to work until the day I physically can't anymore? Have I already missed my chance at financial security? If this sounds like you, take a deep breath, because the truth is you are not out of time. Yes, you've lost some of the early years where compound interest works its magic effortlessly, and yes, the path ahead will require sharper discipline and smarter choices than ever before. But you still have options, powerful ones. Being 50 with no retirement savings is not the end of your financial story. It's the beginning of a new chapter, one where urgency meets opportunity. The second half of your financial life can still be the stronger half, as long as you're willing to take action right now. Welcome to Wealth Echelon, your go-to spot for smart investing, in-depth ETF insights, and book reviews that help you build wealth. On this channel, we explore everything from the best investment strategies to the latest trends in ETFs, and provide valuable takeaways from books that can transform your financial journey. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, our goal is to give you the knowledge you need to make informed decisions and grow your wealth. If you're ready to elevate your financial game, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell for updates on all our latest content. That feeling of standing at the edge of a cliff at 50 with no retirement savings is heavy, but it doesn't have to define the rest of your life. Yes, the reality is tough. Regret whispers about the years gone by when saving even small amounts could have grown into something significant. Guilt reminds you of choices made, maybe overspending, maybe debt, maybe just not paying attention to retirement because the present always demanded more. And panic. Panic tells you that it's too late, that the future is out of reach. But here's the truth. Those feelings, while real, are not the end of the story. They are signals. They are wake-up calls. And they can either paralyze you or propel you. Millions of people are exactly where you are right now. Life gets in the way, jobs lost, businesses that didn't work out, medical emergencies, divorce, kids' education, or simply focusing on survival instead of long-term planning. It's not uncommon to reach 50 and realize retirement savings are at zero. But what separates those who remain stuck from those who turn things around is one simple decision: the decision to start now. The moment you commit to taking control of your financial life, even with limited time, the possibilities begin to open. The first step in moving forward is shifting your mindset. Instead of looking at your situation as hopeless, see it as urgent. Urgency is powerful. Urgency gets you to cut unnecessary expenses, to sit down and make a real plan, to put money aside every month even if it means sacrifice. Urgency wakes you up to the fact that every dollar saved now is worth far more than a dollar saved years later when you're closer to retirement. At 50, your margin for error is small, but your ability to act decisively is greater than ever. The most powerful first step is acceptance. Dwelling on missed opportunities only wastes energy that could instead be invested in building your future. It's normal to feel behind when comparing yourself to peers who have been saving for decades, but comparison doesn't help. What helps is acknowledging your current situation clearly, setting realistic goals, and making an action plan. Once you shift your mindset away from regret and toward possibility, the path forward becomes far less intimidating. Financial recovery in your 50s requires urgency and discipline, but it is far from impossible. One of the biggest advantages you still have at 50 is the ability to work, and work can become your most valuable financial tool. Many people cling to the idea of retiring at 62 or 65, but the truth is, retirement doesn't have to happen at a set age. By extending your working years to 67, 70, or even beyond, you buy yourself precious time. Not only does working longer give you more years to save and invest, but it also reduces the total number of years you'll need to live off your retirement accounts. Additionally, delaying Social Security until age 70 can significantly increase your monthly benefits for life, giving you a much stronger foundation. Even if you don't want to continue in your current job, you can look for part-time work, consulting opportunities, or new fields that both provide income and keep you engaged. The next critical step is to start saving aggressively using every tool available. At 50, you are eligible for catch-up contributions in retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. These allow you to save more than younger workers and accelerate your nest egg. For instance, you can contribute over $30,000 annually into a 401k when catch-up limits are included, and several thousand more into an IRA. Even if you can't hit the maximum, contributing consistently and at the highest amount you can afford will make a huge difference. If your employer offers a match on 401k contributions, never leave that free money on the table. It's one of the fastest ways to grow your savings. While saving is essential, where you put your money matters just as much. At 50, you need a balanced investment strategy that protects your money while still allowing it to grow. Taking excessive risks in hopes of catching up quickly can backfire, but being too conservative may not generate enough growth to fund retirement. A common approach is to use a mix of stocks, bonds, and dividend-paying investments that provide both growth and income. Many late savers benefit from focusing on low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which spread risk across many companies while keeping fees low. The goal is steady, reliable growth rather than gambling on high-risk opportunities. Cutting expenses becomes another powerful tool when you're starting late. Every dollar saved is a dollar that can be redirected toward your retirement accounts. Downsizing your home, selling unnecessary assets, reducing luxury spending, and avoiding high-interest debt can free up thousands of dollars each year. For many in their 50s, kids may have left the house, or big financial responsibilities may be winding down. This shift can create opportunities to reduce costs and put more into savings. Some people even consider relocating to areas with lower costs of living, both to save more now and to stretch retirement dollars further later. Another key element of late retirement planning is managing debt. Carrying large amounts of high-interest debt, especially credit card balances, can sabotage your ability to save. At 50, it's crucial to make eliminating debt a priority, particularly anything with double-digit interest rates. Paying off debt not only reduces stress, but also increases the amount of money available for retirement contributions. A strategic approach is to pay off the highest interest debts first, while still making minimum payments on others, a method known as the avalanche approach. For some, refinancing or consolidating debt may also provide relief. Healthcare is another area that must be carefully considered. Medical costs are one of the biggest expenses in retirement, and starting at 50 gives you time to plan for them. If your employer provides health insurance, keeping it as long as possible can save a fortune. You should also consider opening a health savings account, HSA, if you are eligible, as it offers tax advantages and can be used for medical expenses in retirement. Planning for healthcare now prevents it from becoming an overwhelming burden later. Beyond finances, it's also worth redefining what retirement means for you. Many people think of retirement as a complete stop to work, but in reality, retirement can be a phase of life where you shift into doing work you enjoy, at the pace you choose, while supplementing your income with savings and benefits. Side hustles, passion projects, freelancing, or even small businesses can provide meaningful income while keeping you active. These not only reduce the pressure on your savings, but also give your life structure and purpose, which many retirees miss once they stop working. At 50, it's also essential to become financially literate if you haven't already. Read books, watch financial experts, and learn about investing, budgeting, and retirement planning. Knowledge is empowering, and the more you understand, the better decisions you can make. Consulting with a financial advisor may also be beneficial, especially one who specializes in helping late savers. A professional can help you create a personalized plan, optimize your investment strategy, and provide accountability as you catch up. It's important to note that success won't come overnight. If you're starting with nothing at 50, you won't magically build a $1 million nest egg in a few short years. But you don't necessarily need millions to retire comfortably. By combining Social Security, retirement contributions, debt elimination, and possibly part-time income, you can create a lifestyle that provides security and peace of mind. The real goal isn't luxury, it's independence, stability, and freedom from financial stress. Finally, you must stay consistent. The next 15 to 20 years of your financial life will determine how your retirement looks. Automate your savings, review your progress regularly, and make adjustments as needed. Don't let temporary setbacks throw you off course. Stay focused on the bigger picture. And remember that even small steps, when taken consistently, compound into meaningful results over time. If you are 50 and have no retirement savings, the most important thing to hold on to is perspective. While it's true that starting late means you don't have the luxury of decades of compounding interest, like someone who began in their 20s, it also doesn't mean the door to retirement is closed. What it does mean is that your journey will require sharper focus, stronger discipline, and a willingness to make bold changes in how you manage your money and your lifestyle. The encouraging part is that even small, consistent efforts in your 50s can snowball into significant results over 15 to 20 years. The road ahead is about taking control rather than being controlled by fear or regret. One of the biggest advantages you still have is time. Not as much as before, but still enough to make a real difference. If you're 50, you likely have 15 to 20 working years left before you fully retire, and that's a powerful window to build wealth. For instance, saving just $1,000 per month from age 50 to 67 with a modest 7% annual return could grow to nearly $400,000. Add Social Security benefits on top, and you're looking at a far more secure retirement than you might imagine today. If you can increase contributions or work a few extra years, those numbers can grow even larger. The point is, you still have the ability to harness compound growth, even starting now. Discipline is the foundation of this phase. Every dollar matters more now than ever before, which means being intentional with how you earn, spend, and save. Automating contributions to your retirement accounts ensures that saving happens before money slips through your fingers on unnecessary expenses. Setting a strict budget and trimming lifestyle inflation can free up hundreds or even thousands of dollars monthly, which can then be redirected into investments. The sacrifices made today are not punishments. They are trade-offs for freedom and peace of mind later. Thank you for watching Wealth Echelon. We hope you found valuable insights that will help you on your investing journey. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep building your wealth, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more investing tips, ETF strategies, and book reviews to continue growing your financial knowledge.